What up? Today, I'm gonna try to cook an egg in the dishwasher. Will it hard boil? I don't know. I've been wanting to try this. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna throw it in a plastic bag and wrap it in some tin foil. Just hopefully I don't make too big of a mess so the old lady don't kill me. Sorry, honey, if you're just seeing this now. Let's see what happens. All right, so first I'm gonna throw them in a plastic bag. I don't know, I'm hoping that'll protect it. Then I'm gonna wrap it in some tin foil, hopefully that'll more, and then one more bag just to be safe. So if something breaks or happens, the dishwasher might be safe. All right, let's roll this mother up. Do any good, but all right, got our eggs wrapped in the dishwasher. Let's see what happens. Washer's done. See, hopefully nothing too exciting happened. Oh no, everything looks cool. Ooh, nice and steamy. Ooh. Will they be hard boiled? Let's check it out. Throw them in a quick ice bath and see if what's going on. All right, let's unwrap up. See what we got. I don't know. I don't know if it's hot enough or long enough. Thinking too. I don't hear nothing shaking. Let's check it out. I don't know if you can smell it, hear it. We'll see what happens here. Give them a minute in their little ice bath. You dip them in there. It should help if they're hard boiled, then just peel. But oh yeah, little chickies. Give them just a minute. I don't know. Do you think they cooked? Do you think these things are ready? Well, guess there's one last thing to do to see, huh? Oh, I don't know. Here we go. No. It